Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. No, I stained my clothes. Welcome back to my YouTube channels, guys. So it's because this is a new series, I'm gonna have to reintroduce myself, and my name is Gabriella. For those of you that do not know, my name is Gabriella, and today I'm going to be talking on the latest tea, that is skincare routine in the UK. You know, people will tell you, don't worry, you come to the UK, your skin is going to be glowing, your skin is going to be this. It's a lie. It's a lie. See, I will give you the gist. Let's get right into the video, sister. So let me give you guys the gist, just a little bit of story time before I get into the real tea. I know you're waiting for the tea, but let's vibe. Come on, like, relax. So when I came into this country that's the UK, you know, I was so excited because I know they have a good weather. It's not like the weather is the best, but like in terms of heat, it's not like as hot as where I'm coming from. So I was so excited that, oh, my skin is gonna come out to the best that it can be, you know, that kind of thing. Because where I'm coming from, it's so hot. You be fair at home. Once you go out to run your errand and you come back, oh my, you're black, like you're a different color. Like, don't mind me, but like that's how I felt. So I was like, okay, so now that I'm in this nice and cool weather, you know, melanin production will not be increased and all of that.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
It was exactly the opposite. I couldn't get black, like I started getting darker. You know, the weather is calm, the weather is, you know, is cool and all of that. As I said, melanin production will be reduced and all of that, but I was still getting dark. It was quite alarming. I didn't really understand why I was getting dark, and I didn't even know that I was getting dark. You know, when you have so much, you know, assurance and in your mind, no, this weather will favor me. This weather will be good for my skin. It was one of the days at home. I just, you know, came back from school. I sat down just to, you know, reflect, go through my pictures, and I just felt like, okay, let me just go through my gallery, and then I noticed the picture I took that day. I just like kind of did like an InShot. Just there was clear difference. So as in my color was, you know, it was then it dawned on me that no, there's something wrong. Why am I getting so dark? Even though I'm not even under the sun, the weather is cool and calm. So why am I getting dark? What is happening? And not only did I get dark, my face became so dry. As in, I have dry skin already, but this one, my skin became over dry. I was like, what is going on? I had to sit down. I needed to go back to the drawing board to like check what is going on, you know. And that was when I started, you know, looking deep into these skincare things. You know, started doing my research, and okay, let me give you the gist. See, first thing you should know about skincare routine in the UK is monitor your body. I don't know, see, when I say monitor your body, some people will be like, is it every time you're monitoring your body? You keep on, relax, just calm down. See, the reason why I say monitor your body is because there are some things that make people dark. Let me use myself as an example. When I came, I told you that I had so much faith in the weather. I just went to Aldi, is it Aldi or Lidl? One of these stores. My cream was finished, so I just bought one cream that had aloe vera in it, and I was like, people have been hyping this aloe vera, so it's going to be a good one, you know. I was like, okay, aloe vera plus good skin. Oh, my skin got a glow, you know, that kind of the way the reality hits me, I wasn't prepared for it. Okay, relax. So when I started using it and I started getting dark, it was then I went to the drawing board. I was like, no. First thing, it seems like my body is not compatible with aloe vera. And when I started reflecting on it, I realized that for me, aloe vera it doesn't work for me. It makes me dark. For some reason, I don't know why, but I just get dark. It's just my problem with aloe vera. So I stopped using the cream for like a week, to try and observe, and I saw my body was like picking up a little bit, but I was like, okay, so I need to stop this cream. That's the first thing, I need to stop it. So after stopping it now, I went online. I started looking for ingredients that can actually help me lighten my skin, because my skin was dry, my skin was dull, was dark. I looked like a whole different person that left my country. So I was like, no, I needed, to investigate what is going on. So this brings me back to my first point, which is you need to monitor your body. There are some people that aloe vera does not work for, like myself. There are some people that maybe cocoa butter in their cream doesn't work for. There are people that it makes them dark. You need to identify all these things and know if it works for you, so that you don't end up buying something that is actually going to change your color from what it used to be to another thing. Like me, I had news flash. It opened my eyes. See my eye wash like this. So second thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna list out some ingredients that are actually good for lightening or brightening of your skin, and I'm going to be giving you information of where you can get them, and also product that I use to change my color. Not like change my color, but like get my glow back.